Established in 1969, Rashtriya Electrical is a manufacturer, supplier, exporter and dealer of high and low tension overhead line materials. An ISO 9001-2008 certified company, Rashtriya Electricals is a client-centric organization having an extensive research and development unit where constant innovation is a way of life.
Welcome to the Rashtriya family. We, Rashtriya Electrical and Engineering Corporation, was started by my father, Shri Somraj Goyal, with my grandfather, Shri Brijlal Goyal. Both have started this organization in 1969.
हमने सबसे पहले सेरेमिक इंसुलेटर बनाना स्टार्ट किया, उसके साथ साथ हमने पॉलीमर इंसुलेटर का न्यू प्रोडक्ट ऐड किया एंड हम आज की डेट में डिस्क इंसुलेटर, डिस्क फिटिंग, 2 वोल्ट फिटिंग, 3 वोल्ट फिटिंग्स, डेंजर प्लेट्स, नंबर प्लेट, अर्थिंग रोड, डिस्चार्ज रोड, लाइटिंग अरेस्टर, आइसोलेटर्स एंड ऑल ओवर हेडलाइन मटेरियल्स, टोटल प्रोडक्ट हम अपना सेल आउट करते हैं एंड टोटल मटेरियल गुड क्वालिटी का है। अपने राष्ट्रीय मेक के नाम से हम टोटल मटेरियल बनाते हैं।
The company endeavors hard to achieve the excellence and customer satisfaction to the fullest. The attributes that have established us as favored choice of our clients are state-of-the-art manufacturing unit, trained team of professionals, large production capacity, spacious warehouse, prompt after-sales service, stringent quality measures, timely deliveries, and competitive prices. The company's product range includes polymer insulator, pin insulator, disc insulators, LT insulators, disc fitting and hardware. These are diverse in functionality, nature and applications and are widely used in material handling and distribution systems and transmission in commercial, industrial and residential sectors.
1994 में हमने नया प्रोडक्शन प्लांट नरेला में लगाया और इसको एक्सपेंशन करते हुए 2004 में टोनिका सिटी में हमने सेरेमिक इंसुलेटर बनाना स्टार्ट किया। उसके बाद डे बाय डे हमने इस पॉलीमर इंसुलेटर में शिफ्टिंग किया।
Owing to the sound infrastructure, we can offer these products in large volumes at economical prices. All the products are tested in compliance with the highest quality standards. They are fabricated by using premium grade raw materials. The entire range is appreciated for its several features such as durability, superior performance, sturdy construction, high efficiency and resistance to corrosion.
हमारी कंपनी की ऑल ओवर इंडिया गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट, यूपी स्टेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड, एमपी स्टेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड, हरियाणा स्टेट, गुजरात स्टेट, महाराष्ट्र एंड गुवाहाटी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड में टोटल डिपार्टमेंट्स में अप्रूवल है। हमारे सारे प्रोडक्ट इंटरनेशनल एंड इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड को मीट करते हैं।
All products are tested against all important parameters of durability and performance.
We have a team of engineers who look after to each and every point, every aspect of the quality, and every insulator which are dispatched that has been tested thoroughly. We have a production capacity of 15,000 insulators per day, and we can also manufacture more than that. We can go up to 20,000 to 25,000 insulators per day. As far as quality parameters are concerned, we can meet any quality standard, any specification of any country, and we are very much proud to say that we export more than 20% of our turnover to different countries outside India. Our turnover for the last financial year 2018-19 has crossed more than 100 crores of rupees.
The fully automated machines can operate for long hours without any requirement of manual labor, which in turn improves the quality of the products as well as production volume. The highly skilled team of professionals dedicatedly works to improve the quality and reduce the entire production cost to satisfy the growing demands of the market. The company has a systematic management approach for the timely delivery of products at the desired destination. In the year 2000, the company started a new manufacturing unit at Tronika City, Loni, Ghaziabad, having 50,000 square feet of covered area. This plant was initially set up for porcelain insulators, but in 2007, the company also started manufacturing polymer insulators along with porcelain insulators to become the first company in India to manufacture both categories. The company is known for its large production capacity in distribution class insulators. It has 5 injection molding machines. The current plant is spread over 1 acre of land, employing over 250 qualified and experienced engineers and technicians. The company is well equipped both in terms of infrastructure as well as workforce to develop and deliver various electrical and engineering equipment as per the client's specifications.
We are exporting to almost all the countries of Africa like Namibia, Ghana, Zimbabwe, Tanzania, Uganda, Kenya, and so many other countries. At present, we are manufacturing the distribution line insulators, but we have started transmission line insulator manufacturing from last 3 to 4 months, and within a span of 6 months, we will be getting some big orders in transmission lines. So that is our future plan for this financial year. We are expecting 120 crores of Indian rupees turnover, and for this, our marketing team is geared up and they shows a lot of confidence with the digital marketing platforms, and we will surely achieve it. We are the first company in India who introduced polymer insulator manufacturing along with the porcelain insulators. And we now, for the polymer insulators, import silicone rubber insulators mainly from the Wacker, and our mold is so much efficient. We manufacture A-class insulators which is approved by every department in India as well as of foreign countries. In Rashtriya Electrical and Engineering Corporation, we carry stage-wise inspection, like for the raw material inspection and process inspection. After that, when we are packing the material, we carry every kind of inspection so that our customer should not face any problem in future.
Further, the company ensures that the infrastructure is regularly upgraded as per the latest industrial innovations and technological developments. Since last 50 years, Rashtriya Electricals is known for its quality and trust.
There are so many manufacturers in silicone rubber insulators, but why we are best? We are best because of our R&D team and the designing team. We can design insulators of any kind of specification of any country. We can design with the utmost care, taking reference to their climatic conditions and their requirement for the electrical parameters. And we can design an insulator, we can challenge this because of the hard work has been done by our quality team. Our insulators are best because we do not compromise on quality.
The team at Rashtriya Electricals is always self-motivated to work for the growth of the company as well as its valued clients.